Good morning, children. So, today's topic is weather and seasons. This is from your course book, week 1, enrichment sheet 1. Once again, I'm revising this topic for you so that you will prepare for your GA, tomorrow's GA. Okay, once I'll read this topic for you, then I'll go with the explanation part. So, everyone, open your course book, page number 1. Open your EVS course books. Yeah, EVS course book, page number 1, and catch in your hand. I'm reading, observe it, follow the reading. Weather and season. Weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere or air of a place at a particular time. Sometimes the air is hot and sometimes it is cold. We often see bright sunny days, but sometimes there are cloudy or rainy days. The weather of a place changes from day to day. It can be hot, cool, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy depending on where we live. Seasons. When weather remains the same for a long time, we call it a season. There are five main seasons in India. Seasons in India: summer, rainy, autumn, winter, spring. Coming to the first one, summer season. It is very hot during summer. April, May and June are summer months. Hot wind blows during the day. We do not go outside and prefer to stay indoors. We use fans, coolers and air conditions to keep ourselves cool. We use we wear light color cotton clothes to keep us comfortable. We like to have cold drinks, ice creams and juicy fruits such as watermelons, cucumber and mangoes. Next one, rainy or monsoon season. It in the month of July, August and September, many places in India get rainfall. The sky gets covered with dark clouds. Sometimes lightning and thundering are also common. We wear raincoats and gumboots and carry umbrellas when we go out in the rain. Rainwater collects in puddles. It is fun to float paper boats in puddles. Sometimes we see a rainbow after it has rained. Next page, page number 3. Autumn season. Autumn comes after monsoon and before winter. October and November are the autumn seasons in India. The weather is pleasant during this season. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Winter season. It is very cold during winter. December and January are the coldest months in India. Cold wind blows. It snows in some places. We use heaters or light fires to keep ourselves warm. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. We have hot foods and drinks such as milk, tea, coffee and soup in winter. Spring season. In India, the spring months are February and March. It is very pleasant during this time, not too hot or too cold. Flowers are in full bloom in this season. And these seasons are given different names also in India. We call them with different names. Yes, for example, summer season is called as Grishma Ritu. Rainy season is called as Varsh Ritu. Winter season is called as Sharat Ritu. Autumn season is called as Sharat Ritu. Winter season is called as Shita Ritu. Then spring season is called as Vasanta Ritu. So these are the five seasons. Coming to the topic, yes, weather and season. Weather is the weather is a condition of the atmosphere at a particular place. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place. Sometimes it may be sunny, cloudy, partially sunny, partially cloudy, rainy, stormy, snowy, windy. These are all the different types of weather symbols. Sometimes the air is hot and sometimes it is cool. We often see bright sunny, yes, days sometimes, and some are cloudy and rainy days. So these are the different symbols of weathers. Okay, you can see here. Next coming, the weather of a place changes from day to day. So like this, it may sunny, it may cloudy, it may be, yes, rainy, windy, stormy, snowy. These are all different weather symbols, and these are all different weather conditions. Seasons, when weather remains same for a long time, it is called season. When weather remains same for a long time, then it is called as seasons. So there are mainly 5 seasons in India. Yes, summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Monsoon is also called as rainy season. Summer season, it is very hot in summer. April, May and June are the summer months in India. And this month or this season is called as Grishma Ritu in India. Hot wind blows during the day. Yes, very, very hot. We feel very hot. We wear light color cotton clothes. Yes, next, we do not go outside due to the hot summer or hot sun, and we prefer to stay indoors only. We use fans, coolers, and air conditions to keep ourselves cool. See, for if there is a power cut for some time, we feel very sweating. Yes, and we start doing with the books and all. We use hand fans and we start keeping ourselves cool. So this is the condition in summer. So in summer we wear light color cotton clothes to keep ourselves comfortable. Light color cotton clothes we wear. And the, yes, food, like, see, we like to eat different types of fruits like watermelons, mangoes, and cucumber, and we like to drink cool drinks. Yes, we eat ice creams and juicy fruits, different types of juicy fruits we eat. So, this is about the summer condition. Next, coming to rainy season. So, rainy season is called as Varsha Ritu in India. So, July, August, and September, these 3 months are rainy season in India. We get lot heavy rain during this season. The sky gets covered with dark clouds, lightning and thunder also we can see, and it rains heavily in this season. And we wear raincoats and gum boots and carry even umbrellas when we go outside. Yes, when we go outside, we carry umbrella and we use raincoats and gum boots. And sometimes water collects in the puddles and children play with this paper boats also. Children play with paper boats in these puddles. Then coming, we can see rainbow also. So after rain, you can see the rainbow in the rainy season. Next coming, autumn. Autumn is a season where you can see fall of leaves. So the leaves get dried up and they fall. October and November are the autumn months in India. The weather is pleasant in this season. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Yes, Sri Hasan and Srivas, it properly. Yes, this is autumn. See here. Trees, yes, trees shed their leaves. Leaves changes its color and they fall. And this is called as autumn season. And autumn season is called as Sharat Ritu in India. Next coming, winter season. Winter is the most cold season. It is very cold during winter. December and January are the coldest months in India. Okay, children, December and January, these two months are very cold in India. Cold wind blows in some places like hilly stations. It snows also in hilly stations, and people use heaters and light fires to keep them warm. Even we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves, yes, warm. And we have our food like hot things. We prefer hot food. Yes, and we even drink hot things like milk, tea, coffee, soup in winter. Next, coming to spring season. Spring is called as Sheet Ritu. It is a beautiful season. Yes, very pleasant during this time. Not too cold and not too hot. And flowers bloom in this season. Very beautiful season. You can see everywhere flowers and blooming, new leaves comes. See now after this December and January, next February is the spring season in India.